Okay, now I want to add some doors to my game. You might have noticed in the asset pack there are some doors and door frames. The way these work is that the doors have animations on them. And if we put a door in and have a look at its animations, you can see it's got idle and open, idle and open. Now the doors are a single tile wide, so I'm going to have to put another tile in my wall there. I want to put another door over here as well, so I'll put another tile there too in my wall, and then put another door in here. Now they've got an archway that also looks quite nice, but it's going underneath my wall, so I'm going to delete those archways and make another layer above the characters layer. This layer will be called above, or maybe above is fine. That will go above characters. And then I can put those archways in there, and the character should go underneath them. Okay, so some doors and some archways. Now, how are those going to work? Well, let me script the. Let's have a look at our code. Do we have something for a not solid object? Yes, good. Let's put that on our archways, and then our doors are going to have another script. So to make this easy, I'm just going to go and move my character near the doors, just so I can test them out temporarily. And I need a new script for doors. How's this going to work? Well, let's add a script to our doors. And we want to detect when they're touched by the player, and then we're going to play an animation for them to open, and we'll disable their physics. So first we want them to start out solid, immovable. So we'll go to events and we'll grab when created. And then from physics, down at the bottom, we want set immovable true, so that they don't get moved around. Then from physics, we want to detect when they're touched. So when I'm touched, get toucher. And we want to ask if they were touched by the player. So we need that if block from control flow. Then from sensing, we need that myself has tag name, but we don't want to know about myself. We want to know about the variable toucher. If toucher has tag player. So when we touch something, if it was the player, we want to open. We want to play our opening animation. And I think that was open. But let me double check what the animation name was. So I'll close that script and save it as door. And then I will look at the animation. Idle and open. Okay, so idle is closed and open is open. So when it's touched by the player, play open, and then what we'll do is disable its physics. So from physics, down the bottom, set physics enabled, false. Good, let's play that now. Here's my door. If I walk up to it, it opens. What we could also do is broadcast a message to get the chat box to open. So if we said broadcast message with myself, get rid of that myself, and have some text that gets sent. And the message was display chat. And we can have this say something like the door creaks open. So that will pop up a message for us. The door creaks open. That's pretty cool. And what about this other door? No, we need to go and give some code to that door as well. So we go to our code sidebar and grab the door we just made and attach that script on there. That should work as well. Nice. 2 doors.